Hello everyone, I am Salma and I welcome you all to JobKar. In today's video, we will discuss previous questions. Before starting the video, I want to say if you find this video informative and knowledgeable, then do like and share the video. Also subscribe JobKar for latest job notifications. And as such videos, also hit the bell icon so you can get all updates from JobKar. Any further delay, let's get start the video. The question is an error 2% in excess is made while measuring the side of a square. The percentage of error in the calculated area of the square is. Let the side of a square is 100 meter. Then the area of the square is side square. That means the area of the square is 100 square. So we will have the area of square which is 10,000 meter square. After error of 2% excess while measuring the side is 102 meter and the area of the square is 102 square. So we will have the area of square which is 10404 meter square. After it, error in area is 10404 minus 10,000. So error in area is 404 meter and percentage of error is equal to error divided by area before error multiply 100. So the error is 404 divided by 10,000 which is area before error multiply by 100. After solving it, we have 4.04% which is the error in the calculated area of the square. So the right answer is option D. Next question is, in a shower 5 centimeter of rain falls, the volume of water that falls on 1.5 hectares of ground is. For this question, volume is equal to area multiply depth. Area is equal to 1.5 hectare. We will change hectare into meter because 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. Then the area of the ground is 1.5 multiplied by 10,000 meter square. So we will have the area of ground which is 15,000 meter square. After it, depth is equal to 5 centimeter. After changing into meters, we will have 5 upon 100 meter. So the depth is 1 by 20 meter. We will put this value into formula which is volume is equal to area multiply depth. So area is 15,000 meter square and the depth is 1 by 20 meter. After solving it, we have 750 meter cube. So the right answer is option B, 750 cube meter. Next question is, direction for the question is, each of the questions given below consist of a statement and or a question and two statements number 1 and 2 given below. You have to decide whether the data provided in the statements are sufficient to answer the question. Read the both statements and give answer A. If the data in statement 1 alone are sufficient to answer the question, while the data in statement 2 alone are not sufficient to answer the question, give answer B. If the data in statement 2 alone are sufficient to answer the question, while the data in statement 1 alone are not sufficient to answer the question, give answer C. If the data either in statement 1 or in statement 2 alone are sufficient to answer the question, give answer D. If the data even in both statements 1 and 2 together are not sufficient to answer the question, give answer E. If the data in both statements 1 and 2 together are necessary to answer the question. The question is, what is the volume of a cube? Statement 1 is the area of each face of the cube is 64 square meters. Statement 2 is the length of one side of the cube is 8 meters. In this question, if we have statement 1 alone, we will find the volume of cube. And if we have statement 2 alone, then we will also find the volume of cube. So the right answer is option C, either 1 or 2 alone sufficient to answer the question. Next question is, the reflex angle between the hands of a clock at 10:25 is. For this question, angle is equal to r multiply 30 minus 11 by 2 multiply by minute. After it, r is 10, so here we will put 10 multiply 30 minus 11 by 2 multiply by 25, because minutes value is 25. After solving it, we will have 300 minus 275 divided by 2. After it, 600 minus 275 divided by 2. When we will solve this, we have 325 divided by 2, because reflect angle is equal to 360 minus angle. So the angle is 325 divided by 2, which is we will find. So 360 minus 325 divided by 2. After solving it, we will have 720 minus 325 divided by 2. इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद आएगा 395 divided by 2. So we will have reflect angle which is 197 1 by 2 degree. So the right answer is option D. Next question is, at what time between 4 and 5 o'clock will the hands of a watch point in opposite direction? For this question, when the R hand is on 4, then the opposite of 4 is 10. After it, we will use the formula which is opposite in R hand multiply 60 by 11. So opposite of R hand is 10 multiply 60 by 11. After solving it, we have 600 multiply by 11. After solving it, we have 54 6 by 11. So the right answer is option D, 54 6 by 11 minute past 4. Next question is, a 12% stock yielding 10% is quoted at, let the stock brought by him is 100, then to earn rupee 10 money invested is also 100. After it, to earn rupee 12 money invested is 100 divided by 10 multiply by 12. So we will have 120. So we have market value of 100 stock is 120. Then the right answer is option D. Next question is, in how many different ways can the letters of the word detail be arranged in such a way that the vowels occupy only the odd positions? We have 6 letters in detail, out of which there are 3 vowels and 3 consonants. The 3 vowels can be placed any of 3 places as factorial 3. So factorial 3 को solve करेंगे तो आएगा 3 multiply 2 multiply 1. So we will have 6. After it, we will have 3 consonant can be placed as factorial 3. After solving it, we will have 6. Then the total number of places is 6 multiply 6. So we will have 36. Then the right answer is option C. Next question is, 2 dice are tossed, then probability that the total score is a prime number is. For this question, we will use the formula which is probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by number of total outcomes. Event that the sum is a prime number is 1 1, 1 2, 1 4, 1 6, 2 1, 2 3, 2 5, 3 2, 3 4, 4 1, 4 3, 5 2, 5 6, 6 1 and 6 5. So we will have 15th favorable outcome out of total outcomes. So total outcome is 36 because B will have 2 dice. Then the probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes, which is 15, and number of total outcomes, which is 36. After solving it, B will have 5 divided by 12. So the right answer is option B. 5 divided by 12 is the probability if 2 dice are tossed, and the probability that the total score is a prime number. Next question is find the odd man out 1, 4, 9, 16, 23, 25 and 36. As we can see, 1 is the square of 1, 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3, 16 is the square of 4, 23 is not the square of any number, 25 is the square of 5 and 36 is the square of 6. So the odd is 23. So the right answer is option B. Next question is the question below has either 2 or 3 statements followed by 2 or 3 conclusions. You have to take the given statements to be true and then decide which of the given conclusions logically follows from the given statements, disregarding the commonly known facts. Give answer 1 if only conclusion 1 follows. Give answer 2 if only conclusion 2 follows. Give answer 3 if either 1 or 2 follows. Give answer 4 if neither 1 nor 2 follows. Give answer 5 if both 1 and 2 follows. सो ये थे आपके डायरेक्शंस। इसके बाद आते हैं स्टेटमेंट्स पर। स्टेटमेंट 1 है सम फॉर्म्स आर कार्ड्स। स्टेटमेंट 2 है सम फॉर्म्स आर पेपर्स। सो इस क्वेश्चन को हम वेन डायग्राम के बेसिस पर सॉल्व करेंगे। स्टेटमेंट 1 दिया है सम फॉर्म्स आर कार्ड। सो दिस इज द फॉर्म्स एंड दिस इज कार्ड्स। सम फॉर्म्स आर कार्ड्स, सो दिस पार्ट इज कॉमन इन फॉर्म्स एंड कार्ड्स. आफ्टर इट कंक्लूजन 2 इज सम फॉर्म्स आर पेपर्स. फॉर्म का कुछ हिस्सा पेपर्स है, सो पेपर्स को यहाँ पे ड्रॉ कर देंगे और ये जो पार्ट है ये दोनों में कॉमन रहेगा, पेपर्स और फॉर्म्स में. आफ्टर इट वी विल रीड कंक्लूजन्स. सो कंक्लूजन 1 इज एटलीस्ट सम कार्ड्स आर फॉर्म्स. सो फॉर्म एंड कार्ड में ये वाला जो पार्ट है ये दोनों में कॉमन है. सो कंक्लूजन 1 इज राइट बिकॉज एटलीस्ट सम कार्ड्स आर फॉर्म, बिकॉज ये वाला जो हिस्सा है ये कार्ड्स और फॉर्म्स दोनों में कॉमन है. सो कार्ड्स का कुछ हिस्सा फॉर्म्स होगा. कंक्लूजन 2 इज एटलीस्ट सम कार्ड्स आर पेपर्स. सो कार्ड्स और पेपर्स के बीच में कोई भी डायरेक्ट रिलेशन नहीं है, सो वी विल नॉट से दिस इज राइट. सो द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन ए, ओनली वन कंक्लूजन इज ट्रू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ऑल एनिमल्स आर प्रीडेटर्स. सो यहाँ पर जितने भी एनिमल्स हैं वो सारे के सारे प्रीडेटर्स हैं. सो एनिमल्स वाला जो पार्ट है वो आएगा प्रीडेटर्स के अंदर. स्टेटमेंट 2 इज ऑल प्रीडेटर आर टाइगर. सो सारे के सारे प्रीडेटर्स क्या होंगे, टाइगर होंगे. सो एनिमल्स एंड प्रीडेटर टाइगर के अंडर आएंगे. Conclusion 1 is all tigers are definitely predators. So this is not right because tiger का ये वाला जो part है ये predators के अंदर नहीं आता. So statement 1 is wrong. Statement 2 is all animals are tiger. So animals का पूरा part tiger के अंदर आता है. That means conclusion 2 is right. So the right answer is option 2. Only conclusion 2 follows. The next question is find the missing term in the series given below. 74, 75, 78, question mark 114 and 195. सबसे पहले 74 और 75 के बीच में डिफरेंस होगा 1 का. 78 एंड 75 के बीच में डिफरेंस होगा 3 का. 195 और 114 में डिफरेंस होगा 81 का. सो यहाँ से हम कह सकते हैं कि यहाँ पर होगा 1 × 3. सो यहाँ आ गया 3. इसके बाद यहाँ करेंगे 3 × 3. सो यहाँ पर आएगा 9 का डिफरेंस. सो 78 में 9 को जब हम प्लस करेंगे तो हमें वैल्यू मिल जाएगी 87. सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. 87 इज द मिसिंग नंबर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Sachin walks 20 kilometers towards north. He turns left and walks 40 kilometers. He again turns left and walks 20 kilometers. Finally, he moves 20 kilometers after turning to the left. How far is he फ्रॉम हिज स्टार्टिंग पोजीशन। सो सपोज करते हैं कि सचिन ने यहाँ कहीं से जाना स्टार्ट किया, इसके बाद वो 20 किलोमीटर नॉर्थ गया। सो यहाँ पर 20 किलोमीटर नॉर्थ जाएगा। ही टर्न्स लेफ्ट एंड वॉक्स 40 किलोमीटर। सो इसके बाद वो लेफ्ट टर्न किया और 40 किलोमीटर गया। सो यहाँ से लेफ्ट टर्न करके ये गया 40 किलोमीटर्स। इसके बाद ही अगेन टर्न्स लेफ्ट एंड वॉक 20 किलोमीटर। इसने फिर से लेफ्ट टर्न लिया और 20 किलोमीटर गया। फाइनली ही मूव्स 20 किलोमीटर आफ्टर टर्निंग टू द लेफ्ट। इसके बाद इसने फिर से एक लेफ्ट टर्न लिया और ये 20 किलोमीटर तक गया और यहाँ पर पहुँचा। क्वेश्चन में क्या बताना है, हाउ फार इज ही फ्रॉम हिज स्टार्टिंग पोजीशन, ये अपनी स्टार्टिंग पोजीशन से कितने दूर है। सो यहाँ से यहाँ के बीच का डिस्टेंस कितना है, 40 किलोमीटर्स है। दैट मीन्स यहाँ से यहाँ के बीच का डिस्टेंस भी 40 किलोमीटर होगा। सो 40 में से 20 ये कवर कर चुका है। दैट मीन्स ये कितना और कवर करेगा, 20 किलोमीटर। ही इज फार 20 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम हिज स्टार्टिंग पोजीशन। सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए। This is the last question. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe JobKar for latest job notifications. Thank you.